Kaya sabi ni Jesus, what good will it be for a man if he gains the whole world, yet forfeits his soul? Okay? So we need to understand, no, the most important and valuable thing na meron ka dapat is hindi yung bagay na meron ka ngayon. Hindi yung bagay na pinagmamalaki natin ngayon. Hindi yung bagay na na-achieve natin ngayon. Hindi yung bagay na ipopromote natin ngayon. But none other than you know the answer. It should be God alone. So the moment kaya po nating maghakbang kahit nahihirapan tayo, that is already improved. Alam mo yun, humakbang ka na kahit nahihirapan ka, humakbang ka kahit na nagda-doubt ka. Why? Because you know deep inside your heart, this is just a situation na temporary. Eventually, God can save me. Lord, when we seek the Lord with everything that we got na, you are really, ikaw makaprove talaga sa sarili mo that you are so serious. Lord, show it to us, reveal to us. Ano pa ba yung need namin gawin? Ano pa bang kulang? God knows our heart. God knows our heart. So sometimes it's hard to understand. But the moment we decide na I'm gonna trust the Lord, that one day my prayer will be answered. Now one day, all my pain in the past, titingnan mo ngayon, and suddenly, you cannot help it but just cried out. Grabe, dati struggle ko yun ah. Ngayon, I'm here. The good thing from there, I decide to follow the Lord. Because if not, I'm not sure. Nasaan ako ngayon? Buti na lang nung hirap na hirap ako. Napaniwalaan si Lord at that time. Wala akong pera, wala akong sahod, wala akong makain. At that time, hirap na ako maniwala kay Lord. But I still chose to follow the Lord. And I'm here right now. And praise God, buti na lang. Sabi mo nga, buti na lang.